Good morning. Just to carry on really with a bit of maintenance on the Aprilia Tuono 2007. I sort of got on with it a bit really because I've got to look at all the bushing and the dog bone, nuts and bolts, everything really, to check that nothing's locked up, all the bushings well greased, and also the roller bearings are well greased here. This has got to come through. I'll take it out carefully. Have a look. Oh, there's a bit of grease there actually, not too bad. I don't know if they're captive or not till I look, because the original ones weren't captive. No, can't see them there. Difficult to tell. It'd be good if they were captive. Anyway, yeah, so they could be in a captive or not. I can't tell right now. At least everything's moving. Nothing was jammed up. Certainly is a bit rusty, mouldy old grease, and everything needs a bit of a clean. But nothing was locked up, so it must mean that obviously the suspension was working fine. Basically, it may have not been working to its best, but it's certainly nothing was locked up. Nothing was. There's the old rust. Yeah, there is a lot of rust about, so you can see on the bushes there, the internals. So yeah, even that one comes out. That one comes out. That one comes out. I think hopefully nice and gentle. Yeah, as you can see, a lot of years worth of rust and filth and mouldy old grease. As you can see, I'm just going to get the light and see if we can improve on it slightly. Don't know if we can. See what we got in there. Yeah, they look alright. I'm going to obviously clean them all up. Check to what I might need replacing regarding washers and things like that, seals and whatever. You can see the seals there. So as you can see, so I'll be getting on with that, cleaning it all up, looking for cracks, looking for rub marks, and then popping it all back. And just a quick note under here. Okay, I managed to get this one here out. That's the pin that goes through that way, without taking the exhaust off. But I have undone the exhaust, so I can push it down. So you push this bit down. As Griff has said at AP workshops, it's a bit of a fiddle and a faff, but you can push this down just enough to get that last pin through that way. The other ones, dog bone and the upper wishbone and everything, come off quite easy. Again, I've got to look at all that, clean it up. Yeah, so it's one job. Take a bit of time on it, take a bit of cleaning up, and be worth doing, because hopefully that'll last a few years. I don't know the length. Griff at AP Workshops will obviously know. He was really helpful to me when I just called about this situation with this last bolt, and how to get that out with exhaust in the way at the back there. But he gave me permission, as it were, it's a bit of a faff. I said no more, and I was able then to just crack on and just press that down out to the way a bit, and then just push that bolt through that way. As you can see, it hits that, but it's just enough. Suspension just hanging there. I've got it ramped up there, and I've got it just off there, and then jammed under there. So I've got a balance, so everything is supported without the suspension, as it were. So that's where it's actually supported, under there with wood and a jack, so it doesn't put any pressure on the undercarriage, as it were, there. So anyway, I'll leave you to it, and I'll crack on and get these all cleaned up, and hopefully give you an update when it's all back in. All right, thanks then, bye.